Steam curls from my cup, the city hums low. Raindrops tap a rhythm only I seem to know. Pages turning slow in a corner seat. Life feels lighter with this mellow beat. Vinyl spinning soft, sax in the air. Footsteps fade away, but I don't care. Every note's a smile, every pause a sigh. The world drifts by and I just let it fly. Coffee in the rain, warm hands, no hurry. Let the gray skies paint without a worry. Slow grooves keep the heartbeat steady. When the moment calls, I'm always ready. Pavement shines, lights blur and sway. Jazz whispers secrets that make me stay. The night will